how to add a second person fingerprint on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on lock screen and always on display. Click on screen lock and biometrics. Enter phone pin. Click on continue. After click on continue, and if you want to add second person fingerprint, click on fingerprints and click on add fingerprint. Click on register and add fingerprint from here. And you will see click on done. Second person fingerprint is add. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.